Hello YouTube! This week on our travels around Somerset, I've brought you to Glastonbury, or more specifically, Glastonbury Tor. Standing at 518 feet or 158 metres, Glastonbury Tor can be seen for miles around. On a really clear day, you can spot Glastonbury Tor in the distance from uphill near Weston-super-Mare. A staggering 18 miles away as the crow flies. When you're standing on top of the Tor, it really does feel like you're on top of the world, with the views from the top and the walk up the steep incline really taking your breath away. Especially on a really misty day when it feels like you're floating on top of a cloud. But Glastonbury Tor is outshone by 41 other peaks within the Somerset Levels, but is the largest within the immediate area. The Tor stands at the eastern edge of the town of Glastonbury, looking down onto the ruins of Glastonbury Abbey to the west. Reputed to be the Isle of Avalon, where King Arthur was taken after his final battle to recover from his injuries, Glastonbury Tor is shrouded in myth and mystery. During the Saxon and medieval period, many structures have taken the prominent place on the top of Glastonbury Tor, which have been interpreted as early church or monastic dwellings. Part of a church dating back to the 10th or 11th century has been recovered from the site. A wooden church that was built around the same time was destroyed by an earthquake around 1275, which in turn was replaced by the Church of St Michael, which was built on the site around the 14th century using Dolting stone, a sandstone found in a quarry just the other side of Shepton Mallet from Glastonbury. During the dissolution of the monasteries in 1539, all but the tower of the rebuilt St Michael's Church was demolished. It also served as the place of execution where Richard Whiting, the last abbot of Glastonbury Abbey, was hung, drawn and quartered alongside with two of his monks. Glastonbury Tor was bought in 1786 by Richard Colt Hoare of Stourhead, the grandson of Henry Hoare, who was responsible for the Stourhead Gardens in Wiltshire, forming part of the site where King Alfred's Tower stands today. The tower of St Michael's Church was repaired by the funding supplied by Richard Colt Hoare, and it passed through several generations to Reverend George Neville, the Archbishop of York, until it was bought as a memorial to Thomas Jex Blake, a former Dean of Wells, who died in 1915. In 1933, the National Trust took over control of the Tor, but repairs had to be delayed until the end of World War II. Since then, repairs have been ongoing and multiple excavations have taken place on the site, but have been unable to reveal the true history of what was once there, which leads in part to the many stories, myths and legends that are still around today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And hit that notification bell to be informed about our next videos.